Welcome to a journey through the groundbreaking discoveries of Nobel Prize laureates in chemistry. A journey that takes us to the heart of the most prestigious scientific recognition worldwide. We embark on a voyage filled with curiosity, reverence, and awe, where each stop is a moment of triumph, a moment where the impossible becomes possible, where chemical equations translate to life-altering breakthroughs. Now let us delve into the lives and works of some early pioneers. Our journey begins with the pioneers of chemistry, the likes of Marie Curie, Linus Pauling, and Robert H. Grubbs. These early trailblazers, armed with unyielding curiosity and a knack for innovation, not only transformed our understanding of the world, but also shaped the course of human history. Let's start with Marie Curie, the first woman to ever win a Nobel Prize, and the only person to win in two different sciences. Curie's relentless pursuit of knowledge led her to discover radium and polonium, elements that opened up a new frontier in radiation therapy. But the journey wasn't always smooth sailing. Did you know that Curie often experimented with radioactive materials in her own home, unknowingly exposing herself to the very radiation she was studying? Talk about a hazardous home office. Next, we have Linus Pauling, the only person to have been awarded two unshared Nobel Prizes. Pauling's work on chemical bonds and molecular structure revolutionized the field of chemistry. He was known for his creative problem-solving skills and his ability to make complex concepts accessible. Pauling once said, "Satisfaction of one's curiosity is one of the greatest sources of happiness in life." His curiosity certainly changed the world. Then there's Robert H. Grubbs, a pioneer in the development of catalysts that drive chemical reactions. Grubbs' revolutionary work enables us to synthesize complex molecules with unprecedented precision, impacting everything from pharmaceuticals to materials science. Grubbs had a knack for thinking outside the box, once remarking, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." His love for his work certainly made a lasting impact. These early pioneers, with their unconventional methods and brilliant insights, expanded our collective understanding of the universe and paved the way for future generations of scientists. Each of them brought a unique perspective and a relentless curiosity to their work, proving that there's no one right way to explore the world around us. Their work paved the way for revolutionary discoveries. These pioneers laid the groundwork for some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in the field of chemistry. Let's dive into two such transformative breakthroughs that reshaped our understanding of life itself. First, let's turn the pages of history back to 1983 when Kary Mullis, a relatively unknown biochemist, made a discovery that would revolutionize biological research. He developed a technique called the polymerase chain reaction, or PCR. This ingenious method allowed scientists to amplify a specific DNA sequence, making millions of copies from a single tiny sample. Imagine having a single grain of sand and then being able to fill a sandbox. That's the kind of amplification we're talking about. This breakthrough transformed fields from forensics to medicine and earned Mullis the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1993. Fast forward to 1953, and we meet two young scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick. They deciphered the structure of the DNA molecule, the very blueprint of life. They discovered that DNA is shaped like a double helix, a twisted ladder, with each rung representing a pair of genetic instructions. It was a revelation that unlocked the secrets of heredity and evolution, changing our understanding of biology forever. For this revolutionary discovery, Watson and Crick, along with Maurice Wilkins, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962. These breakthroughs, the amplification of DNA through PCR, and the unraveling of its double helical structure, have been instrumental in shaping the modern world. They've given us tools to diagnose diseases, solve crimes, map the human genome, and even clone animals. These discoveries revolutionized industries. The PCR technique is now a cornerstone of modern biology and medicine, while the understanding of DNA structure paved the way for genetic engineering and personalized medicine. The work of these Nobel laureates underscores the power of curiosity, creativity, and scientific exploration, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge can lead to revolutionary discoveries that have the potential to change the world. From pharmaceuticals to material science, the work of Nobel Prize laureates has transformed industries. Picture this: you're in a hospital and the doctor recommends an MRI. A Nobel laureate is to thank for that. Raymond Damadian, a medical practitioner and inventor, pioneered this technology, enabling us to peek inside the human body without a single incision. Now let's shift gears to the world of microscopy. The traditional microscope has its limitations, but thanks to the relentless curiosity of a few brilliant minds, we now have super-resolution microscopy. Stefan W. Hell, Eric Betzig, and William E. Murner, our Nobel laureates, pushed the boundaries of what we can see right down to the nanoscale. While these breakthroughs have revolutionized our world, the path to discovery wasn't always smooth. Picture a lab filled with the hum of machinery, the occasional clinking of glassware, and is that a rubber duck in a beaker? Yes, even Nobel laureates have their fair share of lab mishaps and moments of whimsy. It's these blunders, coupled with relentless determination, that often pave the way to transformative discoveries. Just imagine, these are only a couple of examples. The work of Nobel laureates has far-reaching impacts, from the medicines we take to the materials that build our world. And this, my friends, is the beauty of chemistry. It's a fascinating blend of logic, creativity, and sometimes a dash of humor. And the future holds even more promise. The work of recent Nobel Prize laureates is shaping the future of chemistry. These modern-day alchemists are not just rewriting the textbooks, they're also redefining what's possible. They're pushing boundaries and challenging norms, all to unravel the profound mysteries of the universe. Take, for instance, the breakthrough of CRISPR gene editing. It's the brainchild of Emmanuelle Charpentier and Jennifer Doudna, who won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2020. CRISPR has revolutionized genetic engineering, opening up new possibilities in medicine, agriculture, and beyond. It's like a pair of molecular scissors that can precisely cut and paste DNA, promising treatments for genetic disorders and paving the way for more resilient crops. Then there's the development of renewable energy technologies. The work of Stanley Whittingham, John Goodenough, and Akira Yoshino led to the creation of lithium-ion batteries. Their Nobel-winning innovation powers everything from our smartphones to electric vehicles, making a fossil fuel-free future a tangible reality. These breakthroughs aren't just about the science. They're about the potential they unlock, the potential to cure diseases, to feed the world, and to power our lives sustainably. This is the future that chemistry is shaping, and it's a future where you too can leave your mark. Just imagine the possibilities. A world where genetic disorders are a thing of the past. A world powered entirely by renewable energy. This is the legacy of the Nobel Prize laureates, and it's a legacy you can contribute to. The brilliance of these laureates and the potential for future breakthroughs is truly inspiring. From the early pioneers to the game changers of today, we celebrate the brilliance of these laureates. Their transformative breakthroughs are a testament to human ingenuity. Share your favorite Nobel stories, subscribe, and join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of scientific discovery.